Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be creating this adorable beaded ring with a cute cat pattern. It's perfect for animal lovers or anyone who enjoys unique accessories. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this step-by-step guide will make it easy for you to craft your own masterpiece. Here's what you'll need for this project. Seed beads in a beading thread or thin nylon string. A beading needle. Make sure your beads are the same size to ensure a neat finish. Let's get started. First, thread your needle and tie a secure knot at the end. We're going to use the peyote stitch for this ring. If you're new to peyote, don't worry, I'll guide you through every step. I've designed this simple cat pattern for you to follow. Start by threading the beads according to the first row of the pattern. Now let's weave beads row by row, following the pattern. Thanks for the like and subscribe.